I never thought I would be saying this, but I believe the best way to generate high quality in-depth articles using AI is by using the ChatGPT web interface and using specifically o1 Advanced Reasoning Model. I've used this model and it's really good. It follows instructions to the T and it gives you very in-depth articles that are very informative, and it also writes those articles very quickly. So I'm really liking it. Again, the reasons why I like it is because it's very easy to get the content, especially the content length in which you want back. You don't have to pre-prompt it many times. It kind of follows the instructions in which you give it fairly quickly. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my SEO prompts. You can find these prompts in the description below today's video. I'm going to copy this over and I'm just going to prime the AI. I'm going to edit this and then just tell it, do you understand yes or no? So once it's understood that prompt, now it's primed to write. I'm going to give it the prompt to write the full article, and I'm just going to insert the keyword in which I'm trying to write about. The keyword for this example is the difference between a minor and a major surgery. And essentially I'm copying over the prompt from my SEO prompts, which you can find in the description below today's video. I'm going to tell it to aim for 3,000 words. So let's see if it's actually going to be able to give us 3,000 words. I think we'd probably get somewhere between 2,000 to 3,000 words. I don't know if we'll actually get 3,000 words, but let's go ahead and see what we can get. And the thing about o1 that's really different is that you're able to see the logic that it takes. So as you can see, it's breaking down the topic, it's thinking about the information, and then it's going to give us an output. So that's the main difference, is that the AI takes some time to think. And I think this is really important. Again, it's aligning the strategies, because instead of just going out and giving you the content, it's taking some time to understand the context and the information, formulating it, and then writing the full article. It's been some time and the article is still writing. So we can tell this is a pretty large article. I think it might actually go ahead and hit that word count in which we gave it. Now, this is a major difference in upgrade compared to the older models. When I used GPT-4o or other models, especially on the web app, I could only get maybe 1,000 words. As you can see here, I'm able to get a sample chart, I get pull quotes, I get lists, I get tables, I get everything you'd want within your article, all within one prompt. So this obviously saves you a lot of time, and you're able to, again, do more on the web app, because now I can generate images, I can generate charts, I can do a lot of different features on one place compared to, let's say, if I'm using a different tool or using an older model. So this is the full article. I don't need to convert this into Markdown because it's already well formatted. So I just need to head over to docs.google.com, and all we have to do is copy and paste in the full article. So again, once we click paste, as you can see, it's already going to be converted. In terms of word count, this is 3,700 words. Let's go ahead and take a look at that again. 3,700 words. One prompt, as you guys saw, is very simple for me to prompt that to get me the content that I needed. This is a beast of an article. There's lists, there's tables, there's charts. There's even a sample HTML chart in which it created. And as you can see, that actually was able to capture it pretty well within the document. You just have to make sure like that is being captured on your WordPress site or whatever platform your site is hosted on. But again, you cannot go wrong with an article like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this article on New and Writer. So we've entered in the keyword and we're going to test the SEO score. Let's go ahead to next. And then we're going to paste in this article. Before we get the number, let's go ahead and generate our title. And then we're going to generate our description. It's only a 50, but that's because we really didn't extract any of the main keywords and feed it into the tool to tell it to use these keywords. I'm sure if we did so, we'd get a better score. So it actually jumped to a 67. That's a lot better. So it's almost as high as the #1 ranking article, and we didn't do anything. I didn't really do any fancy SEO prompts or again extract any keywords and tell it to use that. I just told it to write it as you would with some prompts to write in an SEO optimized way. And we got a pretty decent article, a beast of a word count, fairly high. And again, if we went ahead and did some manual optimizations, I'm sure we can get this to a 75 or above. So So that's it for today's video. As you can see, it's getting very, very simple for you to write really in-depth articles. You do need to get the ChatGPT Plus version to get access to all one, but I think it's well worth it if you're creating a lot of content or if you have a business which you're trying to grow through blogging. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.